Hi, this is your host, Dr. Agnes Cabredo, for another lesson on good English. We are now going to focus on a discussion of the different sounds of the past tense of verbs. The endings, specifically, ed has three different sounds. For one, it can sound as T, it can sound as D, it can sound as ID. All these you will learn from the different exercises that we will go through. So you'll be with me as we go through the pronunciation of all these endings. So we have endings of past tense verbs, ed pronounced as D. D. Now take note, what is the preceding letter before the ed? Here we have, it's preceded by B, preceded by V, preceded by G, preceded by M, preceded by N, preceded by R. Okay, preceded by B, preceded by V, G, M, N, TH. Okay, so all these, you will notice that you will produce D if the preceding letters are B, V, G, M, N, and also L. So let's go through this now. Ready? Bubbed, bubbed, saved, saved, fudged, fudged, aimed, aimed, banned, banned, cared, cared, barbed, barbed, served, served, charged, charged, armed, armed, burned, burned, breathe, breathe, bowed, bowed, solved, solved, buzzed, buzzed, filmed, filmed, called, called, banged, banged, parried, parried, hinge, hinge, curled, curled, breathe, breathe, smooth, smooth, murdered, murdered. Shall we go through it again? All together? Ready? Bubbed, saved, fudged, aimed, banned, cared, barbed, saved, charged, armed, burned, breathe, bowed, solved, buzzed, filmed, called, banged, parried, hinged, curled, breathe, smooth, murdered. The other ending of the verb ed has the sound of T. Notice this is projected. The T sound is projected when the ed in the verb is preceded by P, consonant, K, consonant, CH, consonant F, consonant S, P, K. And this is repeated all throughout. X, Z, and X. So, the consonant is repeated in all these words, and we project it with a sound of t, t, t. Ready? Join me now. Dipped, dipped, tacked, tacked, reached, reached, stuffed, stuffed, kissed, kissed, clasp, clasp, ask, ask, wrapped, wrapped, barked, barked, scorched, scorched, dwarfed, dwarfed, cursed, cursed, elapsed, elapsed, boxed, boxed, helped, helped, melt, melt, gulfed, gulfed, pulsed, pulsed, waltzed, waltzed, blitzed, blitzed, pumped, pumped, junked, junked, munched, munched, triumphed, triumphed, rinsed, rinsed, jinxed, jinxed. Syllable ID is added to verbs ending in D. D, T, T, D. D, T, 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 D, T, T, T. And the ED sound, the ED syllable, is read or sounded as id, id. So it's not ed, but id. Be careful. Needed, needed, potted, potted, lasted, lasted, handed, handed, guarded, guarded, parted, parted, lifted, lifted, wanted, wanted, folded, folded, wilted, wilted, acted, acted, tempted, tempted. Now, this might be novel to you, so the experience makes you insecure. Don't waver, because you are on the right path. Just have the confidence and pursue the practice of these words with the correct sound. So everybody all together. Needed, potted, potted, lasted, handed, guarded, parted, lifted, wanted, folded, wilted, acted, tempted. So, experience, explore, and share the novelty of this experience of pronouncing the endings of verbs in different ways. Just have the confidence, and you need to change. But don't be insecure, have faith, and do it the way we practice it here. If you learned something, please like, subscribe, and share this video. Thanks for watching.